What's the difference between an air purifier versus a dehumidifier? Is one really better than the other, or do they do the same thing? In this video, we'll clear up all the confusion, so keep watching. The truth is, both air purifiers and dehumidifiers can improve indoor air quality, but each one works a bit differently. Depending on your needs, you may want to use one or the other, or both. To help you decide what to get, we'll first go over how each one works, then give you a side-by-side comparison so you can make the right choice. So let's get started. Air purifiers are designed to remove pollutants from the air. They do this by pulling air through a series of filters that trap airborne particles. Clean air is then pushed back into the room for you to breathe. Air purifiers remove things like dust, allergens, bacteria, mold spores, smoke, and outdoor air pollution that gets trapped indoors. Dehumidifiers, on the other hand, remove moisture from the air to lower relative humidity. They do this by pulling air into the machine, extracting out the water vapor, and pushing dry air back into the room. Dehumidifiers help reduce dampness, mold, and mildew growth, and dust mites. Now that you know the difference between air purifiers versus dehumidifiers, how do you know which one to get? The following chart can help you decide. Well, I hope this video helped. If you would like to learn more about anything we covered here or how to find the best air purifier for your needs, click on the links in the description below to view our free informational guides. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions and hit the thumbs up button if you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.